Hi guys, welcome back to Car Crackers and another episode of the Perfect Car to Drive today. So today, the weather, as always, because I filmed these later on in the day, it was lovely and sunny the whole day, and just as I go to do it, it's not overcast, it's just a little bit grey up there, but it's still lovely, perfect dry roads, so we need something you can absolutely fly in and make the most of this morning. But because of the weather now, it's just overcast, it needs to be a hardtop. So I think it's been good enough for a hardtop hypercar. Not just a supercar, but a hypercar. I think today, the car I've got in mind is actually a car that a lot of people would probably say, oh, there's never a perfect day to drive that car, because it's a bit of a sort of show-offs, sort of fat car, really. But I think it's absolutely incredible. Some people, like I say, don't like it at all. I don't like the idea of it, but I think it's absolutely amazing. It is a car that the French seem to be very proud of. They're very proud of the car, even though it's actually got an Italian chassis. The German... I can't do a German accent. The German engine, German gearbox. And the rest of it is made all over the place, then transported to France, whereas the French call it the French car. But still, I'm not complaining, it's still an incredible car, even though it's technically assembled there. So a lot of you obviously are going to know exactly what car I mean already. It's a car with 1,479 horsepower. 1,479! Quad turbo, it's absolutely mad. It's got carbon fibre body, carbon fibre structure. It's got 16 cylinders, 8-litre engine. So obviously you all know exactly what car it is now. The perfect car to drive today is the Bugatti Chiron. So yep, the Bugatti Chiron, or as the Americans call it on some videos I've watched, the Bugatti Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron would be the perfect car to drive today, especially with its unbelievable statistics. It's not just the 0 to 60. A lot of cars can do 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, sorry now. But it's the way that it goes from that onwards. It's 0 to 124 in 6.5 seconds. That's just mind-bendingly fast. And then it does 186 miles an hour in 13.6 seconds. 13.6 seconds. It must literally feel like being fired out of a rocket. I'd love to have a go in one. I can't imagine it'll happen, but you never know. You never know. Excellent. Before I waffle on, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.